Okay, I completed the final torque on the head bolts. And because I had to remove the rocker arm assembly to do that, I want to recheck the valve lash. For access to the crankshaft, I had to move the radiator out of the way. So there's two bolts down here. And remove the bracket that attaches to that point right in the middle there, that on the engine. Remove the upper hose. A little bit of fluid came out. I drained some out to the bottom of the radiator first, so it wouldn't pour out too much. I left the bottom hose on, so I didn't need to remove that. And I was able to get the wrench down in there. I'm just kind of holding the radiator in place with a couple of clamps there and down here, and I kind of use this 2x4 to ramp the radiator in the upward direction. I completed a final adjustment on all the valves. I'm going to start it up and see what it looks like.